Yeah, I think those are the mountains. I mean, they look like mountains, so they're probably mountains. I want to be careful around here because I see a bunch of rocks poking out of the water. But yeah.
I saw a log.
So before we start the fight, just make sure you buff up. Drink your poison resist potion. Then I'll go into tank and you guys just be the bopping biznitches you can be.
Alright. So hear me out.
What?
So hear me out.
Hold on.
I may have pulled a calf.
There were Draugr under the water there. Did you forget your potions, Danny?
I think I lost them when I died.
Alright. We're going home.
I have
No,
five.
no, let's go, let's go. We're not going back, that's way too long. I will swim to shore.
Our swamp camp is actually right over there.
Well, I have 5 of mine.
What are those green things?
That's fine. I can drop you half of mine.
Can
green
you shoot
things?
this?
I don't think so. They're just pustules on the trees.
Yeah.
Green.
Yep, tree pimples. You want to pop the tree pimple?
If it gives loot, yeah.
Nope, just pus.
Okay.
That's technically a loot item.
Heavy.
It's a cosmetic item.
One infection.
Imagine frickin' cosmetic pus.
Okay, how's it
Okay.
going?
Very good, man.
Nice cock.
Thanks, pal.
Oh god. I probably should have mentioned I'm recording right now.
I kind of figured.
The best part is I just started recording like a minute ago because I forgot. Any later and I would have missed that.
Like Danny's recording starts with that shit.
I mean, I wouldn't doubt it.
Nah, I'm not doing this one.
Hmm.
God damn it, Andy, you broke the boat. You did 2.5 damage to it.
Oh my god, the horror. I broke its internal rib cage.
Pretty damage.
Ah, better than its external ribcage.
Wow. Trying to see what's on that island, but nothing's even rendering in.
I just see swamp trees and a mountain.
Looks like
I guess I can get closer.
Towards the last area, that giant tree in the sky.
Yeah, that's the Mistlands. We go to the roots of it. But we have a long way to go before that. That's also where you unlock magic.
Where's the sea monsters?
Don't know, they're pretty rare.
Like just women, Danny, you'll find one.
Also,
The sea just
we
turned to
unlock
be-
magic. If we get a boat and just go straight there in the beginning, will we get a center?
You'll be blind. The mist there is
Blind.
super thick. You need a wisp light in order to do it. Oh, speaking of, I think we're passing by some meadows, so I'll keep a lookout for fish.
Hmm.
So Danny can achieve his life's goal.
Yeah.
The fish! Is that a fish?
That's a bird.
No, I saw trickles in the water.
Yeah, it was a bird shadow.
Oh.
I heard a splash and thought Danny just jumped off while I was looking at the freaking water.
Like I found one.
Getting on shallows. You're getting on shallows.
I know. I see it. Wow. This island has like no fish.
Might just have to find ponds or something on the island.
I mean, I'm pretty sure we have Abomination and Troll trophies back home, so...
Fish! Fish! I saw a fish!
Yep.
Because I keep getting wet from the waves.
Yeah, I'm trying to back up the boat, but we had a lot of momentum. Alright.
Wow, backing up as slow I am.
Yep.
They probably headed from here.
Go for it.
There it is.
Right there. I don't have fishing bait.
What? I dropped you 80. What'd you do with it?
I don't have it.
Oh, never mind.
You
I
stored
put it
it.
in there. I thought it was sausages.
Oh. Ah, we're drifting. Wait, why'd you cast over there? The fish are literally just to the right of us.
I don't know why it went so far out.
They just hold right click when they bite.
Alright.
Huh. Oh.
Bullshit. Sun's in my fucking eye. What?
Yeah, it's pretty quick. You gotta get it just as it goes down.
Danny's vibrating so hard right now.
Up.
Got you,
Reel
bitch.
it in. Reel it in. I
Oh,
got
I
it.
Did you run out of stamina?
don't know.
Eh. We're
I
pretty
just might
close to the bone mass.
I
So
just
honestly,
might
we could probably park
suck.
here. One sec, I'll actually just bring us to shore. This is as good a place as any.
It's already on Danny's side. Oh, he got it, kinda.
Nope, I lost it.
I'm trying to bring it on the boat, you dropped it before.
I don't even know how this shit works.
Well,
What
you
do I
got
do?
it, man.
If you hold
You
right
got
click, it'll reel it in. When it gets too close, it'll automatically pick it up. Or you can hit E to grab it early if you can reach it.
Then
You
it
hit the
saved-
side of the boat. And didn't, well, you weren't able to put it in the boat. So you have to be
Oh
on
shit!
land.
I got a fish on here somehow.
No.
What the fuck? Try to get him again.
Look at the narrative going for.
Whoa! Any more fish
Alright.
you want to try?
Dang, 201 damage.
Who wants to play with Mr. Hammer?
Hmm.
Oh hey, look at this nice little building.
I got a torch. God damn it, Dan.
Damn.
Hello?
Mile in the house.
No one's home.
You dweeb. Alright, bone mass is over here.
Ah! Bitch. Oh hey look, fish!
Yeah, swift vengeance. I don't see any fish. I just see a neck.
Oh, I saw a fish.
Bunch of necks. Nice.
Unless that neck moving around.
It probably was. Come on, you
Ah.
dweebs.
Fuck you, neck.
Yep. It's on a different island after all. Wait.
What?
Alright, back to the boat.
Wow.
It was such a tiny distance, I figured it would definitely be this island. But no, it was another island.
Well,
So
that's
this
good.
is how frickin' Mario felt in those old games.
What do you
Frickin'
mean?
princess is in another castle.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Does this wall look unstable to you?
Now it does. Come on, Denny, get to the boat.
Gave
Really?
the weapons of vast destruction.
Of ass destruction.
There's a fish!
That's a pig.
Really? It's under the boat. Ah, it is. I've been lied to.
Good luck.
How? It's so far away.
There's a ladder right there, Denny. Just click E on it. No.
You like that, didn't you?
I don't know, I just
Well,
picture you jumping at the boat, smacking your chin on the side, and then climbing up the ladder and be like, nailed it. Ah, fish! Fish jumped over me.
Wow.
Just missed my line.
Ah, dang it. The wind's directly against us. This is gonna be painful. Well, just enjoy the scenery, I guess. I have turnip stew, sausages, and black soup on me. So should be pretty tanky.
Well, we're losing our rested buff before we get there.
Yeah, it's fine. We can just stand under a tree and put a campfire down. Well, I don't have any rocks, so we'll get rocks first.
So fucking hard to see.
Well, we should get there in the morning. I
Oh.
can't build anything on the boat. Nope.
And yes, I am fishing.
Fishing in your own butt. I really wish the wind wasn't a factor. Turn this way. Can I get an angle on it? Up. I can. Oh.
I'm increasing my fishing this way. Ah.
Well,
Good
Kaz will
game.
have to lead the way because I accidentally right-clicked on the bone mass marker.
We're still headed towards it.
Yep, luckily I angled to it beforehand. We'll probably have to park a bit out from the swamp because they'll probably wreck our boat.
Whoa.
Like that big ass wave.
It's the only wave that was blowing.
Oh wait, there's an island anyway. Oh well.
Torches.
No, give me a fish. Give me a fish. Give me a fish.
Ah, bunch of skeletons.
Come on, give me a fish. Give me a fish. Whoa, that was not a fish.
Was a skeleton.
No, that was a leech. Ah, fuck.
Oh.
Well, time to destroy the boat.
Time to crash.
Yeah, I really don't like how long it takes to stop.
It's directly this way.
I just abandoned the boat with a friggin' skeleton hitting it.
You're the captain, you defend it.
Whoa, that looks like a trippy spawn, dude.
I died.
What?
Right.
I got hit once.
Oh, Lee? Gonna kill you?
Yeah,
Oh
the
boy.
hit itself killed me. Not even poison killed me. The hit itself killed me.
How much health did you have?
I didn't even get the chance to buff.
You fell out.
Okay, so
Fill the boil.
we need
Quick.
fine wood. We need great dwarf eyes, and we need Surtling cores. Alright,
You see a dungeon anyway.
okay. So, Danny, just keep your spawn marked. I'm gonna... Okay, I'm gonna go back to the other island. Kaz, look for a flame spout in the ground. Yeah, look around. If you see fire spurting out of the ground, that's a Surtling spawn. Or, you know what, just get on the boat. We'll go check the island over there for a black forest. What the heck? Okay, I have it full steam ahead, but it's drifting backwards. Annoying.
Well, we got a leash pushing our boat from up here.
Yeah, that's probably it.
Did you put your bed somewhere else?
What?
Did you put your bed somewhere else?
My bed's in my bedroom.
I don't see your bedroom anymore.
Why are you looking for my bed?
Don't worry about it.
Napoleon hamburger.
This is Kaz's bed. That works.
Yeah.
Which one's the crouch?
Oh, I just realized I do have the Aether buff, but mine's still ready.
Yeah.
So I guess it is an AoE thing.
Teabagging Kaz's bed.
Okay, there's a black forest right ahead of us. You look for a dungeon so we can get Surtling cores. I'll look for
Oh, I died.
the meadows and a fir tree so we can get the fine wood. That's
How am I taking so much fall damage? I jumped from the my
why is the wind
bedroom
always
down
against
to the
us?
floor and I die.
If you have enough stamina, you might just want to jump out and swim, because this is how fast we're gonna go. Seriously, why is the wind
I thought you were
always
talking
against
about
us?
me. I was running back.
No. You nerd.
Well, I guess I'll go kill this guy.
But seriously, every time we go somewhere, the wind is always against us.
I got a better one. Every time we go somewhere, I die.
And no, you're the one who said we don't need to make a portal.
You right.
Game says karma.
Yeah.
Alright, I marked the boat.
Oh man, there's so many of them, dude. Look.
Ah,
What
well,
the
we
hell?
needed their eyes.
Ah, Shaman.
Ow.
Dude,
Oh, I don't have anything. Yeah.
Ow. Threw a rock at me.
Alright. So you look for the dungeon, I'll look for the pine wood.
Well, you need a heal big time, bruh.
Oh, I just ate. So I need to get my HP back from that.
Healing need? Oh my gosh, dude, there's still an army on me. What the hell?
It's fine, just ditch them.
So why? I can destroy
Because you gotta find a dungeon. We gotta save Private Danny.
No.
Do it?
No.
It's not game over. Yeah. Down the house. With a chest on it.
Oh, how'd you tank that?
Get tired of these poisoning deuces. Dude, what's with this island and these doors, dude? Oh my god.
Day 49 with these assholes.
Day 49, Danny's still dead.
Wow.
Right. You're absolutely goddamn right.
How are these all beech trees? I just need one fir.
Can't find a dungeon. Finding everything but a dungeon.
Kaz is looking for a burial crypt, I'm looking for a freaking tree.
Oh. Damn. Gave me a bunch of garbage material. Oh man. This island.
Oh, yeah.
Bastard.
All the different textures, but they're still just beech trees. Yep, I found a mountain.
Dude, this place sucks. There's too many trees.
Fuck you bitches.
Nope, if you find any dark colored trees, I guess check to see if they're fir trees. Because I'm not having any luck over here.
Alright. Nope, just a filthy beach. Ooh, what? What is that? Wow, this is a trap. What? I just picked up three.
Oh, shit, I found
Three
a very
big.
tiny area of plains.
Yeah, there's just 3 queen bee on the ground and 3 honey.
Ah. Oh yeah, I'm trying to listen to... God dang it. Oh, I guess I don't get this trader tutorial.
Uh-oh, this is bad. This is bad. There's a troll with the club.
Oh, I think I actually see you. Hold on, let me fight this. I'm fighting very high level enemies. Black metal scrap.
How did you see me? That's good, yeah. I am completely hidden, brother. No way.
Dang, I heard the buglings had a chance of dropping barley. I kind of wanted it. Oh, I found a burial crypt. I found Kaz fighting a troll.
Not fighting him, I yeah. Apparently this sneak does nothing.
Hey, get back here!
He's really running away.
Oh,
I did improve
he's running up a tree.
I improved my sneak from that.
Alright. I guess I'll take that as a compliment. The freaking trolls are climbing trees to avoid me.
I'm disconnecting now.
Oh,
Oh, yep,
that's why
gonna
this
hide.
tree's not taking any damage. Yep, hide.
Yeah, I'm gonna hide. Yeah, inside this house. And hope I'm not dead by the time I get here.
I mean, there's no enemies around you, so...
Besides that troll.
Yeah, but I mean, he ran away.
Okay, I'm back.
Ah! I knocked down the tree and the troll came back in the time.
Need to turn the house. What the house do to you, man?
Remember when they were their threat?
Well, they are a threat to me because I don't do enough damage and he does too much damage. Ugh.
Oh, this was a fir tree, right? It should have been fine wood. Am I thinking of the wrong tree?
So this is the firewood? Oh, it is.
Yeah, but it's not giving me fine wood.
You need to process it?
No.
Oh, there. Oh, there's a dungeon right here, Ken.
Yeah, I said that. What the heck?
Was it a birch tree?
Oh shit, no.
Birch.
Yeah, there's birch
Oh,
trees over
that's... Oh, right, that's plains over there. We haven't been to that biome yet. Maybe.
Quit me. See what this drops.
What the heck?
Oh, I've been stoned.
Where you going? Get back here.
Just normal wood.
I can't
Come on.
hit it. What? Is that
Okay,
it?
good. This is fine wood, yeah.
Hey,
If
we're
you're having
trying to
trouble
attack.
hitting it, just hit the middle mouse button. Well, I'll need that too. Alright. We just need to get some Surtling cores, and then we're good to go.
Alright.
Huh. And ironically, I got a torch.
Well, even though we never use torches down here.
Yeah. Good opportunity to use it. Alright, Surtling cores. Got him. Alright, I guess I should mark this just in case this ever happens again.
Oh yeah, these skeletons don't stand a chance. I could just two-shot them now.
Don't need rocks. Don't need bones. I'll take those. I'll take that. Alright, let's go save Danny. Well, summon Danny, I should say.
See a whole bunch of those stones in here. Might as well pick them up. Oh, there's like, oh shit, kind of. How many do you usually find in one room?
What, Surtling cores?
Yeah.
It's pretty random. It can be anywhere from 3 to 5.
I found 18 in this one room.
Yeah, so that's 6 because we have the triple. Okay, so I think... Alright, yeah, I have all the materials we need. Let's get back to the boat.
Who's the elder? Did we already fight that one?
Big tree.
Alright.
And now we know where plains are. I'm gonna want to come back here later. Because I saw a big fluffy thing that you can actually tame back here. Oh.
What you want, bird?
Death Skeeto. That's not good.
You said there's a trader in this area.
Yep. Okay. Well, I got needles from a Death Skeeto. So yeah, this is definitely a dangerous area. So we're going back over this way. And Danny, I guess